We all want to feel our best, right? Feeling energetic and vibrant is something we all strive for. Eating healthy food is a big part of that. It's not just about eating less, but eating right. Some foods are superstars. We call them superfoods. These are nutrient powerhouses that pack large doses of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. They're packed with things that keep our bodies happy. They help us fight disease, feel more energetic, and even improve our mood. Think vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are essential for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Now, imagine the ocean, teeming with life. The ocean is a vast, mysterious place full of incredible resources. It's no surprise that some of the most powerful superfoods come from the sea. The ocean provides us with unique and potent nutrients. Today, we're diving deep into two of them, seaweed and spirulina. These oceanic wonders are packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Get ready to discover their amazing benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving your digestion, these superfoods have a lot to offer. These aren't just trendy ingredients, they're gifts from the ocean that have been enjoyed for centuries. Cultures around the world have long recognized their value. So whether you're a health nut or just looking to add some excitement to your meals, seaweed and spirulina are worth exploring. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets of these oceanic superfoods. Seaweed might sound a bit strange, but trust me on this, it's packed with good stuff. Not only is it a tasty addition to your meals, but it's also incredibly nutritious. Imagine getting a boost of health with every bite. We're talking about vitamins like A, C, and K. These vitamins are essential for maintaining good vision, a strong immune system, and healthy skin. Plus, it's got minerals like iron and iodine, which are super important for our bodies. Iron helps in carrying oxygen in our blood, and iodine is crucial for thyroid function. Ever heard of antioxidants? They're like superheroes that protect our cells from damage. These powerful compounds help fight off free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Seaweed is full of them. It's like having a natural shield for your body.
And here's a fun fact. Different types of seaweed have different flavors and textures. This means you can enjoy a variety of tastes and culinary experiences. Nori, the seaweed used in sushi, has a mild taste, making it perfect for wrapping around rice and fish, while wakame is a bit sweeter. It's often used in soups and salads for a delightful touch of flavor. Dulce has a savory, almost smoky flavor. It's great for adding a unique twist to your dishes, whether sprinkled on top or mixed in.
Don't let its size fool you. Spirulina is a nutritional powerhouse. This blue-green algae is packed with protein, making it a favorite among vegetarians and vegans. But that's not all. Spirulina is also a fantastic source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. And guess what? It's also rich in antioxidants, just like seaweed.
Iron is another thing spirulina has in abundance. We need iron for healthy blood and to feel energized. So if you're feeling a bit sluggish, spirulina might be just what you need.
Ready to add some seaweed to your diet?
Fantastic! It's easier than you might think. One of the simplest ways is to use nori sheets. Remember those delicious sushi rolls? Nori is what holds everything together. You can also crumble nori sheets and sprinkle them on salads, soups, or even popcorn for a savory crunch. Wakame is another great option. It has a delicate, slightly sweet flavor and can be added to stir-fries, soups, or enjoyed as a light and refreshing salad. Don't be afraid to experiment.
Now let's talk about spirulina. This nutrient-dense superfood is gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. This superfood comes in powder or tablet form, making it incredibly versatile. You can incorporate it into various recipes with ease.
You can easily add a teaspoon of spirulina powder to your smoothies or shakes for a boost of nutrients. It blends well with fruits and vegetables, enhancing the nutritional profile of your drink and a vibrant green color. This not only makes your smoothie look appealing, but also adds a unique flavor. Feeling adventurous? Try making spirulina energy balls. These are perfect for a quick, healthy snack. Just blend dates, nuts, and other ingredients of your choice, and a tablespoon of spirulina powder. This combination creates a delicious and nutritious treat, Roll them into bite-sized balls, making them easy to carry and enjoy on the go, and enjoy a healthy and delicious snack. These energy balls are perfect for a midday boost or a post-workout treat. Remember, a little goes a long way with spirulina. Its strong flavor means you don't need much to reap the benefits. Start with a small amount and see how you like it, and gradually increase it as needed. This way, you can find the perfect balance for your taste buds. And don't worry if your smoothie turns green. That's just the spirulina working its magic. Embrace the color and enjoy the health benefits it brings.
So there you have it, seaweed and spirulina. Two incredible superfoods from the sea, bursting with nutrients and ready to elevate your meals. They're easy to find, versatile in the kitchen, and most importantly, incredibly good for you. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Embrace the power of these sea treasures, try new recipes, and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you.